Remove the bottom cover. Now remove the power supply and lay it aside. Label the thermistor connector on the end. Use a binder clip. Now start unplugging all the other connectors. Move them to the side. Using a small flat screwdriver, unscrew all the power connections. Main power from the power supply, ground from the power supply, internal fans, MOSFET, nozzle heater. If you have a tweezer, use it to remove the small screws. Great job! You've removed the original motherboard. Pull the new motherboard out of the package and get ready. It's easiest to plug in the power supply connections before trying to attach the motherboard. Again, using the tweezer, set the screws in place. Tighten the screws. Start reconnecting the loose wires. The yellow are non-directional, the MOSFET are directional, and the internal fan are directional. Start plugging in all the connections, X, Y, Z, end stops, and your thermistors. The one on the end was marked with a binder clip. Plug it back in. Plug in your stepper connections, extruder first, then Z, Y, and X. Don't forget to plug the LCD back in. Make sure the USB jumper is on voltage regulator.